Hello, I want to show you a sheet bending roll machine. It is designed for the manufacture of cylindrical shells by rolling a sheet between the rollers. This equipment is widely used in industrial plants for working with metal sheet up to 4 mm thick and is available with 2 meters shaft length. This machine can be equipped with some means of mechanization: reception table, workpiece feed table, part support and part removal mechanism. The process of bending. The part is clamped between the upper and lower shaft. By using the side shafts, the edge of the sheet will curve until the formation of the desired diameter. Bending radius is determined by the rising of side shaft. After bending process, the upper shaft is retracted to the side, and the shell is removed by the machine operator. The frame of machine is welded of massive parts. It has side supports. The rotation is controlled with pedal. The shaft lifting mechanism is equipped with a worm gearbox. The upper and lower shaft rotates using a worm gear motor. Drive power is 1.1 kilowatts. Speed of rotation is 15 revolutions per minute. This machine is easy to maintain and operate. This is the best ratio of the price and quality.
И по отношению к нему выставить лист. В него упереть, чтобы ровно его поставить. После этого я зажимаю. Его между двумя волками. Опускаю этот волок. И после этого начинаю вращать. Так, теперь мы делаем подгибку. Теперь опускаем вал нижний. Это лист из нержавеющей стали, толщина металла 2 мм.